Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add Discord audio to OBS so you can capture voice chat in your recordings or streams. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Now here's an important note before we continue. Make sure you have your Discord app already open on your desktop. This is crucial because OBS needs to detect Discord as a running application in order to capture its audio properly. Once both applications are running, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the OBS window, where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where you'll manage all the different audio and video inputs for your stream or recording. Look for the plus icon and click on it to reveal a list of source options you can add. From the menu that appears, select Application Audio Capture Beta. This feature is specifically designed to capture audio from individual applications on your computer, which is perfect for isolating Discord voice chat from your other system sounds. It gives you much more control over your audio sources compared to capturing everything at once. A new window will pop up asking you to name this audio source. You can rename it to something simple like Discord or Discord Audio, whatever helps you easily identify it later when you're managing multiple sources. Once you've entered your preferred name, click OK to proceed. Next, you'll see another drop-down menu labeled Window right beside the name field. Click on this drop-down menu to see a list of all the applications currently running on your computer. From this list, locate and select Discord. This tells OBS exactly which application's audio you want to capture, ensuring you get clean voice chat audio without any interference from other programs. After selecting Discord from the list, click OK to confirm your settings and apply the changes. The window will close and OBS will begin processing the new audio source. And that's it. Your Discord audio will now appear in your audio mixer panel in OBS, giving you full control over the voice chat volume in your recordings and streams. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.